Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to talk about essay test and matching test. I am Hana Mutia Nur Hidayat and I will deliver about two important types of test item teacher use to assess student learning. Let's get started. The first is an essay test is a type of paper and pencil test where students write answer in their own words. Instead of choosing from options like in multiple choice tests, students organize and express their ideas freely. Essay tests measure how well students can analyze, explain, evaluate, and express their understanding. There are two main types of essay question. The first is extended response, which is give students more freedom to write, explain, and be creative. The second is restricted response, is limits the answer to specific points or direction. The next is advantages and disadvantages of essay tests. Essay tests have many advantages. The first is they reduce guessing because students must create their own answer. The two is they are easy to prepare for teacher. The third is they encourage deeper learning and help students show their reasoning, opinions, and originality. However, there are also disadvantages. The first is essay tests can cover only a small amount of content. And the second is scoring can be subjective and may vary from teacher to teacher. The third is grading takes time, especially with large classes. And next is benefit and purpose of essay tests. The first is the greatest strength of essay tests is that they measure higher and order thinking skill such as analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. The second is students can show how they connect ideas, use their judgment, and apply what they have learned. The third is essay tests also let teachers see the quality and depth of each student understanding, writing style, and thought process. And the next will be delivered by Yahya Yasa Dermawan.
Hello, my name is Yahya Yasa Dermawan, and today I will continue what had been Hana delivered. And this is part 4, or tips for writing good essay question. The first one is be clear and specific. Students should know exactly what is expected. Use action verbs like analyze, explain, compare, justify, or evaluate. Use several shorter questions rather than one or two long ones. This will help cover more content. The third one is avoid optional question so that all students answer the same items for fairness. Number 4. Provide clear direction and show the point value for each question. Number 5. Ask for example or evidence to support answers. Number 6. Be clear if grammar or spelling will affect scores. Part 5 is scoring essay test. Consistency and fairness are very important in scoring essays. There are two common scoring methods. The first one is analytic scoring. The teacher uses a model or checklist with key points. Student earn partial or full credit based on how well their answer match. Number 2 is holistic scoring. The teacher reads the entire answer and gives one overall score based on its quality and completeness. Teachers should focus more on content and understanding rather than handwriting or writing styles. And then part 6, matching test item. Now, let's talk about matching test. Matching test item asks students to pair related information, such as words and definition, people with their achievements, or causes with their effects. They are very useful for testing facts, vocabulary, and relationships between ideas, especially in subjects that include many names, dates, or terms. A matching test usually has 2 columns, one with question or statement and the other one with possible answer. Student must watch each item correctly, often by writing a letter or drawing a line. To make a good matching test, first, keep all items under one topic or theme. 2. Write clear direction and simple wording. 3. Include more answer than question to reduce guessing for student. And for student, here are some tips. First, read all direction carefully. Look over both columns before answering. Answer the ones you know first, then make careful guesses for the rest. Although matching tests mostly check memory and recall, they can also be used for higher level thinking when combined with ranking or reasoning questions. Okay, in summary, essay tests and matching tests serve different but equally important purposes. Essay tests measure critical thinking, analysis, and understanding, while matching tests quickly check factual knowledge and connections. When teachers plan carefully, give clear direction, and score fairly, both test types can help students show what they truly know and can do. Okay, I think that's all from me and Hannah. Thank you so much. See you next time.